Is your Ecovacs Deebot T8 doing its best impression of a dizzy dancer? Spinning in circles, bumping into walls, or just refusing to move smoothly? Yeah, we see this a lot. That spinning in circles or jerky movement issue is a common head scratcher for many Deebot T8 owners. Usually, it comes down to a faulty wheel motor, or maybe the wheel itself has become stuck or obstructed. Sometimes, debris can get tangled up in the mechanism, making it seize up. Ignoring a wheel problem isn't going to magically make it go away. It will just mean your robot is going nowhere and not doing any cleaning at all. You might also find it causing more damage to the wheels or motor if you leave it. Now, you probably have seen some videos or tutorials and you're thinking, I can handle this myself.
Bruh.
But robot vacuums are intricate machines. It's not like fixing a simple toy. These aren't basic, easy-to-access parts. They also use specialized motors, which require special care. And you may not even diagnose the actual problem correctly, which means you'll be fixing the wrong thing, potentially making it worse. A DIY fix can quickly become a costly headache. So, you've decided that a DIY repair isn't the best option, and we agree. What's the easiest way to get that spinning or stuck wheel on your Ecovacs Deebot T8 fixed? RoboCare has you covered with convenient options. At RoboCare, we specialize in robot vacuum repair, and we're particularly experienced with Ecovacs models like the Deebot T8. Our highly skilled technicians have years of experience working with these specific machines and understand the intricacies of their wheel mechanisms and navigation systems. We know exactly what to look for. We use specialized diagnostic tools and techniques to accurately pinpoint the exact cause of your Deebot's mobility issues, whether it's a faulty motor, a jammed wheel, or anything else. We don't just guess, we find the root cause to ensure a lasting repair. Now that you know our expertise, it's time to see the results. Look at that. After RoboCare's expert repair, your Deebot T8 is back on track, cleaning effectively and effortlessly. No more spinning, just smooth sailing. Afterward, we returned the robot to the customer and they said it worked like new again, so they were happy. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We're here to make your robot vacuum repair as simple and convenient as possible.